AI isn't coming to the future. AI is already taking over the present. And the place where the shift is hitting the fastest is urban America. Cities rely on service jobs, transportation jobs, retail jobs, and warehouse labor. And those are the exact jobs AI and automation are built to replace first. DoorDash, Uber, Lyft, Amazon warehouses, grocery stores, restaurants, retail chains, all of them have one thing in common. They're replacing human decision making with algorithms. Yep, by 2030, expert estimates that 40% of urban jobs will either be automated, outsourced to AI, or completely reorganized. This means the entire economic structure of the average city is about to be rewritten. Automation is cutting the need for cashiers. Self-checkout is replacing entry-level work. AI scheduling tools are cutting administrative roles. Robotic systems in warehouses are removing entire departments. AI language models are replacing customer service centers. Delivery robots and autonomous handlers are replacing couriers. People think they have time. They really don't. The speed of this shift is accelerating every quarter, and the companies rolling out these tools aren't apologizing for it. If a machine can do the job cheaper, faster, and with less liability, the system is going to choose the machine every time. This creates two paths: the people who adapt and the people who get left behind. Urban workers need to pivot into digital skills, financial literacy, AI tools, content creation, crypto infrastructure, and online income streams because the traditional job market is shrinking. And this isn't fear, this is preparation. No city is ready for the scale of what's coming. The workers who learn AI early, learn automation early, or learn how to use these tools to make money will rise. The ones who wait for the world to go back to normal will not. This is the urban economic reset, and 2030 will separate those who act from those who just watch.